Okay.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across the channel, this is the Bella's family channel, guys.
Yes.
So guys, in this video,
I'm after this food right now.
Our mommy in this YouTube is no other but Bianca Balesa. She's also in our membership. She said we should do white rice and
stew. Guys, you can see it.
Okay, look at the stew. And this.
Oh, let me use it to baptize you.
Baptize yourself first.
Huh?
So we are going to be using our chefing dish. This rice challenge is going to be the survival of the fittest. As you can see, this chefing dish is very hot.
It's very hot.
At the fire.
There is fire under
it. So we set the fire. Let me just open the rice so you can see. You can see the smoke coming out of. We are going to demarcate this rice
with meat. We are going to use meat to demarcate the rice.
Yeah. Just hold it like that.
Let me hold it.
I'm going to
use the meat to demarcate.
Yeah. So you don't have to.
No cheating or no cheating this time. No cheating because your second name is cheating.
No, you are the one that is.
No.
The cheater.
No.
I'm going to use.
Be loading the meat. Be loading it.
I know. You wait.
But you must put it at the center, middle.
It's the middle now.
Okay.
What do you want me to do again?
Okay.
So guys, we are trying to demarcate it with the meat.
Use the meat to fence it.
I'm fencing it with the meat, sir.
With 4-story building. Like 4-story building.
No, it's 6-story building.
Put all the meat.
It will be falling off. That is why I'm just trying.
Or I should do it.
Don't do it. I don't want you to do it.
Look at Momo, everything. Put everything.
Okay.
Put it.
Only it's okay, please. You are saying just put it. It will be falling off. Okay, it's okay now. Okay.
Yeah, put. Even if the thing fall aside, no problem.
Okay.
Let it fall on my side.
I trust you.
Put this one. Yes. Put on. Why are you taking that one to that side?
Okay, I didn't know. I thought you said I should take it. So, guys,
you can see
we are about to start. Survival of the fittest. If you want more stew, you can take it. Our glass of water is here.
The glass of water is here.
It's just 10 minutes. This rice is too hot. I don't know what to do. Oh my God. It's okay, honey, please.
It's okay?
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay. Guys, the challenge is about to start now. Watch out.
And we are in summer now. This one is too hot. I don't know. Maybe I will take it with this one.
Let the stew be on my side.
I don't need any stew again.
Okay.
I'm going to take away the weak bed. Okay. Are you ready to start?
Where's the water? There's no water inside the cup.
Look at the water here.
Okay. I need a bigger cup.
No, you don't have any right for a bigger cup. No. We don't need a bigger cup. We are using the same cup. Only please, let's start so that this video will not be too long.
We start?
Okay. So guys, we are about to
start.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This rice is too hot. Oh. Okay. Start.
Okay, start. I have to go for the meat first. The spoon is not big. It's too hot.
Okay. Mommy Bella is winning. How many minutes?
Just give me 1 minute. Stop it, you know.
Why would I stop eating?
Stop eating, stop eating. Okay. Guys, I'm back. Stop eating. I don't like hot food like that, but I'm going to win you. This spoon is not big.
You know the same spoon we're using.
I need bigger spoon. The rice is too hot. Hot rice. Hot rice challenge. Huh. You have started pulling. Huh. Okay now. Easy, easy, easy. Drink water. You have to drink water. If you're eating, you drink water. Drink water. You have to drink water. Fire, fire.
In our country.
This is fire. They should call fire service. It's so hot. It's so hot. Let me go for the meat first.
Hey, okay. Sorry for you.
Okay.
No, kill yourself. Good, I'm winning, no problem. You can go.
I'm inside the game.
Let me try to finish this one.
Guys,
I can't stand the heat.
I should use them to start eating now. It's the same thing now.
No. For what? If I'm using it, I will know where I'm using it. I use the spoon.
It's too hot.
It's the same fire. You have finished 2 cups of water, okay.
We can drink water as we like.
No problem. You are not challenging challenge.
Let me start.
That's what?
It's too hot.
You think I didn't see what you did?
What is that?
I didn't see it. Me, I
What?
will not talk. They will be the judge. I already know I want you.
What is that now?
No, I didn't see what you are trying to do. I will not talk.
What happened?
Nothing happened, okay?
It's too hot. I know that I'm going to win you.
You are not winning. Don't forget that talk.
Oh, my body is hot.
You are going to be hot today. You never will see it. You are the one.
Is it because you like hot food?
Forget that one. It's because I'm not feeling the heat. You are just concentrating on the meat.
Let me concentrate on the one I will know.
You are not doing meat challenge.
I know now. It's right now. I'm going to still win you. Don't worry.
Inside your dream. You already know you are wrong.
What's the time?
There's many about.
I mean,
2 minutes and 51 seconds.
see, my own is almost finished. What?
What water?
Drink water. My own is almost finished now. We will see who is going to win. We are going to see who is going to win. We are going to see who is going to win.
Honey, no, look, what is all this one?
What?
Who poured rice inside here?
Is the time you are...
How did your rice finish like this? No need. Yeah.
Did
so
you see
guys,
me do it? Wait.
The 10 minutes remaining about 2 minutes. So I
what?
believe everybody will see and know who is the winner. Me, I will not talk.
Did you see me when I poured? Look at, I was doing like this. I did.
I know the rice that was here. So you look at the meat. Look my own. Did you see me use any rice to pass here? Look at your own.
No. It's the time I went to collect meat like this.
You cannot collect meat because meat is in the center.
No, I collected meat like this. There is rice on back
I will
of the
watch
spoon.
the video again to see what happened.
You better watch it and see. But I know that I didn't do anything. I'm the one to edit the video.
For what?
I'm the one to edit the video. And you will see it after the posting.
I already know I'm the winner, so just okay.
How come? Look at my rice, it's almost finished. Look at it.
When you know you cannot win, you start to look for a cunning way to do something.
Oh my God.
To try to cheat.
I didn't cheat. This thing is draw self.
Draw.
Of course.
I'm really sorry, meat.
It's draw. It's not even dry, but I know that I'm going to win.
I just say you're doing, sir. This rice is too hot. My neck is too hot.
The challenge is the rice plus the meat challenge.
We use it, I will say, survival of the fittest. Who can eat the hot rice? Oh my God.
What weak me is the meat that I put on my mouth the first time. The pomo. But I know that I still win. If we should weigh the rice now, I know my own is smaller than your own. Yes? Look at her mouth.
Time up. What is it?
Nothing.
Are you having temperature?
No.
You need water.
You need water. The water is finished.
Well,
okay, who won now?
I won.
How come?
Guys, leave it in the comment section. Me, I will not argue.
I'm even sweating.
I know you pour some rice here.
No. I didn't do that.
When you see that I'm winning, because you cannot accept defeat.
I didn't do that.
You decided to start pouring your rice inside my own. I won.
I didn't do that. You should know that. I didn't do that.
Hands down.
I didn't do that. Oh, wait. Look at my own. Look at the rice that is running. Look at your own.
We are concentrating on the meat.
Yes. Let me feed you. Let me feed you.
My rice, no?
Guys, I won.
I will not argue. Because this one is just clean and clear.
What happened?
No argument.
I won you.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please leave it in the comment section down below who you think is the winner of this challenge.
I'm the winner. Thank you, guys. Bye. Love you.